Today, during the quarantine, we are headed to AA Auto Works because Strive, aka Andre, just received the Racechips module. I believe it's the Racechips GTS Black edition for the C63 AMG S. And if you saw the previous video, you'll know that Strive just installed the what is it? I think it's R1 downpipes on the C63 AMG S, and man, that car gained serious top end. Like, it's insane. It's even untuned. Like, we ran the GTR versus C63 stock for stock. The GTR was like, I want to say like 2 cars faster, 2.5 cars, a little bit more on top end. Once he did the downpipes, you know, the C63 actually closed the distance on the GTR, and it was faster. Not by much, but it was faster. I went and did the full Cobb Stage 2 with the ECU, the Cobb access port, the big SF Cobb intake, and yeah, the car gained a good amount of power. We re-ran, and the GTR is about, I want to say like 3 car lengths faster, and even more as you get up top. So it'll be interesting to see what the C63 does now tuned, because it picks up damn near 100 horsepower to the wheels with the Racechips module. Racechips pretty cool, similar to the access port. It has, I think, 7 different, or actually 10 different maps preloaded into it, and then it allows you to custom tune the car as well live through the iPhone. So it's pretty cool. A little bit more advanced than, you know, the average tuners. It's really similar to the Cobb. So yeah, we're headed up here. It's a pretty semi-difficult installation. That's why we're not going to do it. We just don't have the space in our garage to do it in our apartment where we live. So that's why we're taking it to AA Auto Works. I think you install the unit. It hooks up to like 7 different sensors. It's not that it's super hard. It's just that the AMGs and that specific car, the 63, doesn't have much space to work. So it's really hard to get to. I think the front bumper has to come off. But yeah, all in all, it's going to be interesting to see what kind of power this car picks up with the downpipes and the Racechips ECU flash. So we will run the cars to show the difference, and yeah, stay tuned. And yeah, I will be going stage 3 here soon with the 1000cc injectors, bigger intercooler, and the I'm gonna do mid pipe, the catless mid pipe. So I'll definitely be stage 3 if he does beat me. I'm gonna still do it regardless, but if he beats me, I'm definitely gonna go stage 3, and then plans for E85. So stay tuned.
They have all the stage 2, stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What the fuck is stage 5?
I don't know. It needs air in it. I saw that earlier. Just got up here. AA Auto Works.
Going into the race car.
Just got to AA Auto Works. This is the Racechips module from Racechips. You want to open the packaging so you see what comes in it. And this is controlled by the iPhone.
Yep. Got the app upgrade, so that way I can control it straight from my phone, see all the analytics. It hooks to your turbo boost sensor, your airflow sensor, everything you'll be able to see straight from your app. So that's going to be dope. Let me grab the harnesses. This is not an easy install whatsoever, so that's why we're having AA Auto Works do it. You got to put in all these harnesses, connect them to every sensor. But this is why you get so much power gain from it, because they're able to monitor. We have different stage tunes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's crazy. So as we keep modding, we'll keep upgrading. Get this thing to like 800-900 horsepower.
Yeah, for real. So we just picked up the C63 from AA Auto Works. You haven't got to get on it yet.
We haven't, but
Yeah,
the spool,
but the spool is crazy.
4,000 RPM spool to 2,500.
Yeah.
It's crazy. All you hear is whistle.
Whistle, literally.
It's so loud.
You can hear the spool from behind. I'm like three cars behind him,
Yeah,
and I can just hear the
literally.
whistle. It's crazy. It's just like.
It's sick. It's sick.
So,
I can't wait to slip
there's
on
3 modes. What is it? Eco, Sport, and then Race, and then you can fine tune the sport modes on it.
it. You can fine tune the shifting.
The shifting, yeah. So
You can feel it. It's just so much faster now. It's just like
yeah, we can't wait to see the difference this thing has made. So we'll pop the hood real quick. So we're back. Race chip module installed. It even sounds different. This is the iPhone setup. Just fine tuning.
Yep. Sick.
Got the GTR Godzilla back there, looking pretty. You putting Arco in your shit? You putting Arco in your shit, nigga?
That's what happens when your one bar is on.